Welcome to this quick guide on how to keep your Facebook posts private by making them visible only to you. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy is crucial, and Facebook offers a simple way to do just that. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your news feed. To create a new post, tap on the What's on Your Mind box at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in whatever you want to share. Now, before you start typing, look for the Post Audience selector. It's usually represented by a little icon, like a globe or two heads, at the top of the post box. Tap on this icon to open the Audience selection menu. Here you'll see several options for who can see your post. These include public, friends, friends accept, specific friends, and custom. But for this tutorial, we want to select Only Me. This option ensures that only you can see the post, making it perfect for personal notes or journal entries. Once you've selected Only Me, tap on Done to confirm your choice. Now, you can finish writing your post without worrying about who might see it. Type in whatever you want, add photos or videos if needed, and when you're ready, tap on the Post button. That's it. Your post is now live, but it's only visible to you. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping certain thoughts or updates private while still using Facebook as a personal space. Remember, you can change the audience for each post individually, so feel free to experiment with different settings depending on what you're sharing. Whether you're jotting down personal thoughts or just want to keep certain updates private, Facebook's Only Me feature has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.